I didn't know I had an answer for this question till I asked. But now that I may never have it all, I want a second chance. Take it back.
This limitless light, exposing, closing circuitry of fight. Think of each moment, holding this breath as death, minute and decimal.
Resident minor, how do you bleed? Will need your testimony, understand. From this world, it's terrible truth, so help me, son. Now raise your right hand. Father, your honor, may I explain? My brain has claimed its glory over me. I've a good heart, albeit insane. Condemned to the infirmary. All my towers crumble down, the flowers gasping under rubble, striking in the hall of law. Thy genius sates a thirst for trouble, scattering sparks of thought energy, deliver me and carry me away.
One sip and you'll understand the power that's in your hands. A wine so fresh, you'd never want to eat human flesh again. Then we shall be on our way. No bloodshed in here today. A trade you see, gift from you and a gift from me.
I'd like to thank you. Stranger, what's your name?
My name is Nobody, Nobody, Nobody.
Nobody. For your gift I've won to be blind.
I'm so glad we see eye to eye.
Yes, you shall be the final man to die.
Don't mind the noise outside the door. It's just a phantom, nothing more. No need to give yourself a scare. When you glance and no one's there, I don't wanna have to hurt you. Not your fault, I felt this rage. Just a child about your age, but something drives me to this place. I can see him in your face. You never know the hell I've seen. Don't fear what's come. We can fight off the urge inside. It's dark and you're afraid of the devils that come out at night. Let's make this easy. Soon you'll haunt these beats you hated. No need for sleep tonight. Sweet dreams are overrated.